what's up, community? It's KJ here from nappyhair.com, and you are watching The Breakdown. In this video, I'm going to break down the custom measurements for a U-part wig. The ready-to-wear U-part wigs are coming back summer of 2022, but nothing will ever replace a wig that is made specifically to your head measurements. Now let's get started. The first measurement you want to take is the circumference of your head. So when you are doing your measurement, you want to have your hair as flat as possible because you do not want the volume of your hair to be included in the circumference. This is why I have my hair straightened and pulled into a ponytail. So I am just getting the circumference of my head. KJ tip, when you are measuring your head, you want to start at the 0 because these are precise measurements. Do not include this little area on your measuring tape. Don't include that as a part of the measurement. You want to start at the 0. Next, we have ear to ear over the top. When you're measuring ear to ear over the top, you still start at your hairline. That's right above your ear. Next, we have ear to ear across your forehead. When you're going across your forehead, you do not want to make this error. No, because we are measuring your hair line. Okay, your actual forehead, your wig would never be down here. Okay, so we don't want to take that measurement. We want to stay with the hairline. Always starting at the 0 mark. Let me scoot mine back a little bit to get right above my ear. Okay. If you're measuring yourself, use your finger to hold down at the 0 point, that's the 0 starting point. Next, we have the nape of your neck. For the last two measurements, I'm going to take my ponytail down. As I mentioned before, you do not want your hair to interfere with your measurements because the wig is here to fit your head. Our last two measurements are front to nape and temple to temple around the back of your head. All right, community, so now you know the measurements you need to take to customize your U-part wig. Customization is so important. This is why I included the tape measure complimentary with the texture match kit. The texture match kit cost $49.99, but that amount is taken off of your first purchase. So the texture match kit is free. We'll discuss that more in another video.